How to create a shared Google Calendar. If you want to create a shared Google Calendar for your team, family, or group, this video will show you how to set it up and invite others. First, open Google Calendar on your PC or laptop. On the left side, find My Calendars and click the plus sign. Select Create a New Calendar. Enter a name for your calendar and optionally add a description. Choose the appropriate time zone and click Create Calendar. Your new calendar will now appear under My Calendars. You can also click the three dots next to it to change its color, making it easier to identify. To share the calendar, click the three dots next to the calendar and select Settings and Sharing. Under the Share With section, click Add People and Groups. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite and choose their permission level. For example, you can allow them to make changes to events. Finally, click Send. They'll receive an invitation by email and can accept it to access the shared calendar. That's how you can create and share a Google Calendar with others. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.